So guys, the messages that we keep getting is that we don't need to cook from scratch. We don't have to look after ourselves. We spend loads of money on makeup and clothes and all kinds of exterior stuff, but we don't take time just to make and eat healthy food. This meal I just made today, some bean burgers from yesterday. I sliced it up, make it a little bit different, add a different sauce on top, and the boys were eating in 20 minutes. Yeah. Why is the media always telling us that you don't need to cook, come home from work? And it's easy. It's not a chore. It's a thing that they're putting in your mind. They're hypnotizing you. Oh, why bother cook when you can just take a ready meal and put it in the microwave? It's not healthy. You're not getting any nutrients from it, and you need the nutrients to be healthy, to have good skin, to be able to go to the toilet, to not have any toxins in your body, to build up and create illnesses and diseases and headaches and all sorts of things. Follow my vlog and you'll see I've got some very, very interesting recipes. Of course, I sing.